Hey guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we're going to show you how to fix Discord not opening on PC. So if you're interested, let's start tutorial. So in this case, there are a few things that you can do here to probably solve this issue. So one of them is to make sure that Discord is properly closed. So sometimes, by the way, this is unavoidable. Sometimes apps would stop working properly. So meaning if they close randomly on your PC, there's a great chance that they're still running on the background, although you don't see it open on your PC here. So what I like to do here is I want to actually visit my task manager. So go ahead and click on Control-Shift-Escape on your keyboard, and you want to look for Discord. Now in this case, it might be in the background process section here. So if you do see Discord, make sure to close it in the background apps. So again, look for Discord, right click on it, click on the End Task option here. Once you've done that, close your task manager, open up Discord, and see if that solves the issue. Now, another thing that you could do here is to basically change a few settings on the compatibility settings of Discord. So in this case, look for Discord, right click on it, and you want to go to Properties. Now the properties, you want to go to Compatibility here, and from here you want to disable full screen optimization and run this program as administrator. Hit on Apply and OK, and close it. Now once you've done that, go ahead and open up Discord again and see if that solves the issue. And finally, the last thing that you could do here is to make a clear restart here. So sometimes doing a restart on your PC can solve a lot of issues, and this will actually reset some of things here. So in this case, restart your PC and again see if that solves the issue. And finally, if that doesn't solve the issue, well, the last thing that you can do here is to probably uninstall Discord and reinstall it again. Sometimes the installation files or the files itself or the program files might be broken, and a good reinstallation can actually solve a lot of those issues. But in this case, that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.